a lot of you requested that I speak in Bengali, so here it goes. নমস্কার সবাই, আমি তোমাদেরকে দুর্গা পুজোর অনেক অনেক শুভেচ্ছা জানাচ্ছি। আর আমি এই লুকটা করলাম অঞ্জলির জন্য, তোমরা সকালবেলা পড়তে পারবে। আজকের থিমটা ইয়েলো রাখলাম। প্রোডাক্টসগুলো সব ড্রাগ স্টোর ইউজ করেছি। চোখের লুকটাও অনেক সিম্পল রেখেছি, এটা ভীষণ সিম্পল করতে বেশি স্টেপস নেই। আমি লাইনারও ইউজ করিনি, অল্প একটু কাজল রেখেছি। তোমরা যদি চাও একটু লাইনার লাগাতে পারো, আমি অনলি মাস্কারা ইউজ করেছি। অ্যান্ড লিপসটাও অনেক সিম্পল রাখলাম, বেশি একটা কিছু করিনি। কিন্তু ইফ ইউ ওয়ান্ট তোমরা রেড লিপস্টিকও ইউজ করতে পারবে। স্কিনটাও ভীষণ ডিউই আর সিম্পল রেখেছি। আমি এরকম ড্রাগ স্টোর প্রোডাক্টস ইউজ করেছি যোনটা লং লাস্টিং হবে, কেন কি আমি জানি অনেক গরম এখনও কলকাতায় অ্যান্ড আসামেও ভীষণ গরম ছিল। ইট মাইট ইভেন রেন, ইউ নেভার নো। কিন্তু আই মেড শিওর কি আমি এরকম প্রোডাক্টস ইউজ করেছি যোনটা লং লাস্টিং হবে, which will also last through humidity. আচ্ছা, কিন্তু ভিডিওর আগে প্লিজ ডোন্ট ফরগেট টু সাবস্ক্রাইব and also give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started. I love starting my makeup with the Face Shop peeling jelly. It's just such a nice way to exfoliate your skin, followed by using this simple moisturizer. It is, like the name suggests, super simple and very nourishing. And then I'm going to use a primer. Please skip this if you have dry to normal skin, but for oily skin it just works like magic. You can even wear this on top of lip gloss and make any lip gloss like matte. And then for foundation today, I'm going to use one of my favorite drugstore foundation. This is from Makeup Revolution, and this is their Conceal and Define foundation. This is super long lasting and it's absolutely perfect for those long special occasions. And then I like to use a brush to spread it first and use a sponge to kind of blend it along my face. Next, for concealer, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. The foundation is so good that you don't even need concealer, but I'm just using this to brighten underneath my eyes. And then I am just going to set the concealer using some powder. Today I'm going to use the Lakme one. My favorite eyeshadow palette from MAC is this one. It is so amazing. The color payoff is beautiful. It is so pigmented, so easy to blend. I'm going to use 2 matte shades and apply that all over my crease using circular motion and just blend it, and also use it onto my lower lash line. And then taking this amazing gilded gold color onto my finger, because I feel like it applies nicer using my finger. I'm just going to apply it onto the center of my eyelids. And then I'm going to take the Colorbar all-rounder pencil in pitch black and apply it onto my waterline. I absolutely love this liquid eyeshadow from Etude House. I'm using that to highlight my inner corner. And then I'm finishing off my eyes using my favorite mascara of all time. This is the Maybelline Total Temptation. For contour today, I'm going to use this one from Nykaa. I really like it. It's super pigmented and very easy to blend. And I'm just going to apply that to add some dimension to my face. For blush, actually, I'm going to use the Wonderpuff Lip and Cheek Deo in the shade Shake It Off. I'm using it onto my lips first, and then I'm taking whatever is onto the cushion already, just on the back of my hand, and then using a stippling brush to spread it on my cheeks. I like to take a clean fluffy brush and make sure that everything is blended before I move on to highlighter. For highlighter today, I'm going to use this liquid one from L'Oreal, and I'm blending it using my fingers. This makes the skin look so dewy. I really love this. Then I'm going to top up the highlighter using some powders so that it stands out even more. Please feel free to skip this if you don't like too much highlighter. I'm also going to take a little bit and apply it onto my collarbone and my shoulder. And then to fix my makeup, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Hyaluronic fix, and it's going to make sure it just stays. I also applied some yellow eyeshadow as bindi, and that's it. This is the finished look. I think it's going to be very appropriate for the daytime and absolutely perfect for the festive season. It is very universal, so I hope you guys enjoy this. yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.